We have Senator Rand Paul on all the time, Mr. Commissioner, and he's constantly banging on about his criminal referral for Dr. Fauci. In your time at the FDA, do you believe that there's perhaps criminal influence that may have happened in different eras?
Well, Dr. Fauci, since he was at the NIH, we don't directly have any records of his activities, but we did see a cover-up to silence data on myocarditis, a COVID vaccine complication highest in young kids. So young kids were the lowest risk for COVID, getting in trouble with COVID infection, and they were the highest risk for myocarditis. So by sort of suppressing that information, it sort of created a misrepresentation of the risk-benefit ratio. Now, that data has since been made public, and myocarditis appears in the label of these vaccines. So we're doing what we can to set the record straight. But look, when we came to office, we walked into a mess. We had been funding a lab in Wuhan, China, that likely brewed up the virus that killed 25 million people. We walked into 12% to 14% of NIH grants were going to DEI, not to curing rare diseases or cancer or kidney disease or diabetes, but to describing differences in the population, which we already know are true. So we walked into a mess. And so what we wanted to see was money go towards important things that have to do with the well-being of kids. Addressing the 40% of American kids that have a chronic disease, having SNAP waivers for the first time in government, where Brooke Rollins has said, no, 20 states have applied for these SNAP waivers where you don't have to use taxpayer dollars for junk food in the SNAP program. So we're not afraid to go radical, and that's exactly where we're going.